Just a couple of former LoneStar Drift champions hanging out here on grid.
And then me, Mr. Third place.
Yeah, Mr. Third place over here.
Up.
Yeah, he swapped a V8 this year.
So it's kind of lame.
Now he's super gonna get last place.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I'm a glutton for punishment. I swore I wasn't gonna compete again this year, and here I am on grid.
That's exactly what I said.
Yeah.
I was literally over there like, I'm gonna bow out. I don't want to do it. I'm not feeling it.
Same. My car is like completely haggard. The clutch is slipping, and I'm still like, damn it.
Me sitting on grid.
Yeah, I know. So,
I'm here for it.
Right. Zach took a year off. Anyway, back to a turbo car, which we all appreciate.
Yeah,
the turbo's infinitely better. Sorry, JR.
No, I don't disagree.
The competition level, maybe V8s are more competitive and reliable, but
I just want to try something different.
Turbo is the.
Then I got the vet, so I just have 2 LS cars now.
That's true.
It's all American, you know?
Yeah. Look at this. You got to get that chrome tint, though. Look at the tint.
At that.
Zach went with the mirror chrome, and I went with the blue chrome. God, that looks so dope. And then, of course, Connor in his super sick street style REDor dead. Yeah, he got a little love tap. That was in practice.
A little scuffle,
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Whatever. So, wish us luck. I'm gonna run out of memory if I don't turn this off. So,
I'm gonna try and beat Brian so I can battle you.
Yeah? All right, let's do it. Hopefully we do battle. All right, good luck. Really? Did I do you? Huh?
Your car's slow.
Yeah, I told you. Yeah.
I entered on your shit and you just like slowed down so much. I was like, ah.
I mean, I handbrake, but I was on the power right away.
I know.
But the clutch was just saying, nah.
Yeah, it was fine. It was just like.
Yeah.
Were you slipping?
Yeah.
I couldn't slow down much.
It's all good.
I started 20 minutes calling you slow.
Okay. Woo! Feels toast. Feels like busted up in times left. Well, damn. Who got the win? Okay. I'll let you know. I touched your wheel with my wheel and mine exploded.
Yeah, it felt pretty gnarly.
Yeah, it's pretty soft, honestly, but because it was two spinning things.
I think that's what it was like pretty tricky.
Yeah. I just gently sucked up to you.
Come on.
Okay. Now I gotta find a spare front. Shit.
Hey, you gotta take mine.
Yeah.
Aaron said be careful. I don't know.
All right.
Good? Yeah.
Come on, Rudy. Oh, don't hit me, man. What happened?
I was just trying to go too wide and fall down.
Damn.
First and second, Aaron's on the radio. All right, guys.
Good battle.
Thanks.
Woo.
Oh, God damn it, my door's falling off still.
Oh, shit. We need to put some bolts in that.
I know.
Dang.